Hello everyone, how are you friends? Hope you are all fine. Christmas is a season of love, kindness, and sharing. Handmade decorations are special because they are made with care. They do not need to be expensive, and sometimes the simplest craft becomes the most beautiful decoration in the whole house. The first idea is rustic Christmas wreath. Use jute rope, green leaves, small pine cones, and a red bow. And this natural style gives your front door a warm and welcoming look. Another lovely idea is decorating glass jars and fill them with fairy lights and tiny ornaments or fake snow. These jars look beautiful on a dining table, bedroom shelf, on or a near window. Wooden ornaments are always a rustic choice. You can paint stars, Christmas trees, or little snowflakes. Add twine for hanging, and your Christmas tree will have a cozy handmade touch. And if you love simple crafts, make paper Christmas stars, fold colorful paper carefully, and decorate them with glitter or teeny pearls. They look beautiful hanging from the ceiling. And old fabric can become amazing Christmas decoration. Make small fabric hearts, stars, or mini stockings. This is a wonderful way to recycle while decorating, and you can also decorate empty bottles with jute rope, lace, and tiny bells. Add fairy lights inside the bottle for a magical evening decorations. Mini Christmas trees are always fun to make. Use cardboard, jute rope, button pearls, or ribbon, and small trees are perfect for desk shelves or gift tables. Try making snowflake decorations using popsicle and sticks and paint them white, silver, or gold and add a little glitter for a snowy winter effect. Handmade gift tags make every present feel more personal, and write kind messages and decorate each tag with tiny leaves, stars, or ribbon. A big centerpiece can change the whole dining table. Arrange candles, pine cone, greenery, and ornaments together for an elegant Christmas display. And wall decorations are another easy project. And create a Christmas tree shape using wooden sticks or string lights and decorate it with ornaments and bows. Small hanging bells tied with the red ribbons create a lovely festive sound and make doors or windows look careful. And try making tiny Christmas house from cardboard, paint them white, and add little lights inside to create a beautiful winter village. Natural decorations never go out of style. Dry oranges slices, cinnamon sticks, pine cones, and greenery with your home smell fresh and look elegant. Handmade candles holders are simple but elegant, beautiful. Decorate plain candles holders and with twin lace and tiny berries for a cozy Christmas evening. Remember, crafting is not about perfection. Every handmade decoration is unique because it is made with love and creativity. This idea are perfect for beginners, families, and anyone who enjoys relaxing DIY projects. On you only need simple materials and a little imagination. Christmas decorations become even more meaningful when everyone joins together. Crafting with family or friends creates memories that last much longer than the decorations themselves. Every finished project tells its own little story. When guests visit your home, they will notice the handmade details and appreciate the love behind them. So keep creating, keep decorating, and never be afraid to try something new. Your creativity can turn ordinary material into beautiful Christmas treasures. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And please don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel. And I truly hope this Christmas craft idea inspired you to create something beautiful for your time home. And if you enjoyed this beautiful video, and please like, share, and subscribe to support our growing creativity family. Your support means everything and encourages me to bring fresh Christmas craft ideas every day. Until next time, stay creative, stay kind, and may your home always be filled with you. Peaceful and peace and beautiful handmade decorations. Happy Christmas and see you in the next video. It's amazing different ideas, most beautiful, amazing, different, demanding Christmas home decoration collection. All ideas is very beautiful, gorgeous, stunning. It's a very amazing, highly demanding, and very creative Christmas craft idea. And if this idea inspired you, please like this video, share your favorite idea in the comments, subscribe for more beautiful Christmas craft inspiration every day. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are not just crafts, they are feelings. They are a beautiful excuse to smile, spend time with loved ones, create unforgettable memories, and fill your home with warmth, love, and happiness. Every handmade piece tells a unique story and remind us that the true spirit of Christmas is kindness, creativity, and togetherness. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Take care and goodbye. Thank you so much.